radicals can be written in exponential form. An exponential form can be written as a radical. As you see here, I have a rational exponent form, 5 to the 1/2 power is equal to the square root of 5. I have x to the 2/3 power, which is written as the cube root of x squared. So when you are looking at these and you see this 5 to the 1/2 power, that 1 is the power and this one is the root. The denominator is the root when we're looking at a rational exponent. So it's power over root. That's how I know what to do. This is 5 to the 1st power, and it's the square root. This is x to the 2nd power, and I take the cube root of it. So it's power over root. So if I were to rewrite these using exponential notation, this is the square root of 45. That would be 45, and when there is no exponent, remember there's an understood 1, so it's to the 1/2 power. If I were to rewrite this one, the cube root of 7 is 7 to the 1/3 power, understood 1. This is the 4th root of x to the 3rd power, so it's x to the 3/4 power. Rewrite the expression using radical notation. Remember, it is power over root. Power over root. So I'm going to write my radical. This is the square root. Remember, we don't write understood 2's here, just like we don't write understood 1's. So this is 11. The square root of 11. This one, cube root, because my denominator is 3, of 7 to the 1st power. This one, the 5th root of 8 squared. Okay, I'm going to approximate these with a calculator. What you want to do is take your calculator. I'll be right back. I'm just going to go get it. You want to take your calculator, and I'm going to get closer. I hope this is showing up good. And you're going to put 15 to the 4/5 power. So 15, you're going to hit your power button, which is right here. And then fraction button right there. And you're going to put 4 over 5 and hit equals. And that gives me 8.727. So if I round it to 2 decimal places, 8.727 is equal to 8.73. Remember, when rounding, you look, since I'm going to 2 decimal places, I go to the 3rd one. If it is 5 or more, you raise the score. 4 or less, give it a rest. I mean, keep it where it is. All right, now, we're going to type 8. Use that same button on your calculator, that power button, which is this one. If you could see it on there, it's this button. You're going to hit that button, hit the fraction button, type -7 over 4. It equals. That gave us 0.0262. All right. We only want to go 2 decimal places, so I'm looking at the 3rd decimal. So that's going to raise this score, 0.03. Thank you.